Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Most welcome to Triangular Kamal Academy. Today I am going to discuss one of the most important topics for the students of class 9 and 10, which is set and function from higher mathematics. And today I am going to draw the graph. And so, dear students, be attentive in the class. In the last class we have done question number 13, and today I am going to start question number 14. So, first we have to know what is the requirement of the question. Draw the graph of the relation is the first step and determine from the graph whether the relation is a function. So there are two steps. First of all, you have to draw the graph of the relation S. Then the second step, just find is it function or not. Okay. First give attention. This is a simple equation like x square plus y square equal 25, and you have to know what is the equation of the meaning. Definitely this is the equation of a circle. How we can take the decision, is it circle or straight line or parabola or ellipse, whatever. So the condition for the circle, it will be x square plus y square equal r square. When you see here the coefficient of x square, here 1, and here coefficient of y square is also 1. And if we see both coefficient of x square and y square both are same, this will be the equation of a circle. Like if we see here 2x square plus 2y square equal 100, or twice x square minus 2y square equal 100, or 100 square, whatever. So what is the coefficient of y square here? Plus 2, here plus 2. But this one, coefficient of y square is minus 2. The coefficient of x square is plus 2. So this one will not be the equation of a circle, because the coefficient of both x square and y square are not same, and this one will be circle. And if we write here like twice x square plus y 2 twice y equal 100 square. What we see here, the coefficient both are same, plus 2 and plus 2, but the power of x and y both are not same. Here power is plus 2, here power is 1. So this one also will not be equation of a circle. So there are two main steps to be a equation of a circle. The power of x and y both will be 2, and the coefficient of both x and y both will be same. And then constant part, there is no x and y like this, x square plus y square plus 5x plus 7y plus 100. So basically this one, this constant part gradually will a form of radius square or r square. But if we see this form, this one will be radius, so their radius is 100, but this one is not 100. If we write here 10 square, but their coefficient is plus 2, that's why you have to divide this one like x square plus y square dividing by 2, this one will be 50. So now you can write root over 50 square, then radius of the circle will be root over 15. But this is not basically related with your content now, so give attention how to draw the graph. First step, you have to know, is the circle, is it or not. So first step we see here, the coefficient of x square is plus 1, y square is plus 1. So this is the equation of circle, and both power is 2. So you have to write here from describing equation of S, we get x square plus y square equal 25, or this one will be x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal 5 square. So you can write here 5 square. Basically we write x minus 0 square is equal x square. Similarly y minus 0 square will be y square. So x square we can write x minus 0 square. Definitely you are thinking why I wrote here minus 0. Because we know when we see x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal r square, then center of the circle will be a and b and radius will be r. So for this reason we converted this equation with the standard form. So considering here standard form, like x minus 2, if we write here x minus 2 whole square, x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal 5 square. Then center of the circle will be 2, 3 and radius will be 5. Radius will be 5. So considering this equation or convert this equation as a standard form, we can take the decision radius of the circle is 5 and center of the circle is 0 and 0, which is origin. So we can write here this is an equation of circle, whose center at 0, 0 and radius is 5. Now draw a circle taking radius 5 and whose center will be at 0, 0, and the figure shown in graph. We consider both x axis and y axis, the length of one small list, the length of the one smallest square is 1 unit. Just considering here the one square length will be 1 unit. So we will draw the graph, and using this pencil compass we can draw the figure of the circle accurately. Okay, dear students, now draw the graph as per as your description. So considering as a 0 and 0. So first of all you have to find the x-axis and y-axis. So we will draw here this figure, and considering this line as a y-axis and this one as x-axis. This one is x-axis. So just we can produce this one, right side of x and left side of x, and right upper side of y-axis is positive and lower side of y-axis is negative, and this one is origin 0 and 0, the intersecting points. Now draw a second step. We write here draw a circle taking radius 5 whose center is 0, 0. So now taking radius 5, just count now smallest unit from any side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or this one, or you can count origin to right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From any side you can just count, and taking radius as a 5 and center as O. Okay, now we can draw the graph. Okay, so this point is from upper side, this one is 0 and 5, because in the y-axis value of x-axis will be 0 and y is 5. In the x-axis this one will be 5 0. So in the below side, the negative side of y, this and value of x is 0 and value of y is minus 5. And here the value of x is minus 5, value of y is 0. And this is the radius is 5. So we can write left side or any side, the radius will be 5. So first step, our as far as requirement, draw the graph of the relation. So is it complete? Taking the radius 5 unit and the center, considering center as 0 0, and draw a circle. Now second step, whether the relation is a function or not. In the last class we have said here, in the y-axis intersect at how many points? This is the 0 minus 5, this point is 0 and 5. So we get here 2 points where y-axis intersect the given relation. So this one will not be a function. Or if you draw a parallel line of y-axis like this one, how many intersecting point you will get here? 2. When we get a 2 intersecting points, after drawing a parallel line of y-axis, and if we get a 2 intersecting point, this indicates that this relation or the graph will not be a function. So now you have to write here. We see here second part, y axis intersect the circle at 0, 5 and 0 minus 5. So the given relation of the graph will not be a function. Or you can write, if we draw a parallel line of y-axis, we get 2 intersecting points. So that's why the graph will not be a function. And so there are 2 steps. First step, you have to draw the graph. Second step, you have to explain is it function or not. So definitely this short trick is very important to you. So thank you very much to enjoy this tutorial. If you have any question, please do comments. Hope we'll see you again in the next tutorial. Allah Hafiz.